YouTube. Get that thing going. But I wonder why it's not a lot of gas going in there. Like, I thought it was way more gas supposed to go in there than that. I thought way more gas supposed to go in there than that. But I got that thing running. I put a new fuel pump on. I don't know if the fuel pump went bad or not, or was I just all the way out of gas. I really feel like I was out of gas, but I wouldn't know. I put the other fuel pump on already. That thing ain't running though. That ain't running though. Hey, see that? Now look how much gas goes for in there. I really feel like it's supposed to be more gas going in there than that. You feel me? Them little spurts, man. What is that? Like, this thing needs more gas, bro. That ain't no gas. Swear it ain't. That thing crunk though, boy. It took me a long time to get that gas going. I got a crunk though. Crunk. I ain't gonna cut no music or nothing on them because I'm on one battery, I ain't on the other battery. Yeah, she running though. You cut her off. Cut her off and see what she do. You cut off and cut back on. Cut la back on and see what she do. Yeah. When she get going, that's how she is. On the first turn, she cut right back on. And she running that how it is. I'm not understanding though. Why they get more gas in there? They got me lost. Let me cut it off before I run out the gas I got in there though. No lie. They got me lost, y'all. Like, this new fuel pump. That thing ain't pump. Well, I don't know, man. That's crazy, man. Ain't got no lease or nothing. But now I know, though, cause I'm thinking I had another cloud filter or something down towards the bottom or something. But now I know it's getting gas. It's just not getting there fast. It's just not getting there fast. I don't know, bro. I really would take around the block, but I need to pump this tire up. I don't know, bro. I feel like it was more gas than that. Like, what is that? Yeah, I feel like it was more gas than that, bro. Oh no. That's a little fishy. I think that thing can fill up with gas, bro. If I'm not mistaken. Yo. So check this out, y'all. I took that this fuel pump that I'm supposed to show in the last video. This fuel pump, well, I ain't gonna say the last. I took that fuel pump back off, y'all. This was the one I just bought, and this is the one I had bought not too long ago. I put this one back on because the fuel filter wasn't filling up with gas. And I'm wondering, did I run out of gas when we start? And this fuel pump still good? Because I know this fuel pump was filling that thing up with gas. So I put that one back on just to see. But I also may need to change this fuel filter. You know what I'm saying? Because it might be clogged. It might be clogged. So that's what I'm in. And this is a true brake right here. True gas fuel, and that's a Delphi. It's a Delphi right there. But I know this one, this I put back on, that fuel filter was filling all the way up, like almost all the way full. Like, and since I had a little problem, I put this one on. I got the car crunk, but the fuel filter ain't been filling up. And I wonder if it's that fuel filter or this pump don't pump as good as this pump. I don't know. Y'all stay tuned in though. Probably change that fuel filter. Somebody probably crank it to see what it do first. Yeah, I'm gonna crank it to see what it do first and get back with y'all. Here we go, y'all. Let it cut right up. Even though I just put a whole nother pump on. See how that thing, see how that air going though. Hey y'all, I found the feast. Now look, they pumping way more gas than the other one was. But we about to see though. We about to see if it fill up. Let's see if it fill up. Let's go on this side. Let's go on this side. We'll see like more this time than the other fuel pump, y'all. To me, it look the same. Might be a slight little bit more. I'm gonna let it run a little bit and get back with y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna swap out this fuel filter, y'all. I might go swap that out. I'm gonna swap that out. I supposed to get more gas in on here, bro. I got good gas in that tank. Oh no, look. Oh no, y'all. It's filling up more than it was. Oh, hold on. Oh no now. Oh no now. That thing ain't filling up more than it was filling up. Oh no! Oh no now! That thing outside it. Oh! That thing is way more full than this big game, boy. Lie about this. I probably just buy another filter anyway. But why this? It ain't filling all the way up like that. Why would I cut it off though? It's way more in there than it's been getting in there, man. Now look, y'all. It ain't been holding that much in there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's holding. It's way more in there than it's usually in there. Like, it's been in there since it's been tripping. Yeah, I probably about to change that filter, y'all. We'll get back with y'all. Yo, I'm back. Told y'all, I'm going to get a new filter. That thing might be. I knew it though. And I also had broke this. So I knew one of those too. Knock that out. So I wonder if I put this on, you know what I'm saying, would it help? You know what I'm saying? Cause that thing look dirty, boy. But y'all see all the gas up in that bowl though. That's what I'm saying. I see that thing. Might been a little clogged up for real. Ugh. I'm about to see though. I'm about to take the top on. Nah, I'm about to see though. About to put that new one on now. Yeah, we about to put the new one on now though. We about to see. Show about to put the new one on. Show about to put that new one on. So we about to see. Oh, now that I'm getting game trip, man. Tripping. Damn. Damn. Clean that up. Clean that right on up, boy. Got no rag, you know. No problem. I clean that up. Yeah, so new day. And y'all see I got that filter on. You see it got gas in there. But like I said, that ain't enough. Like when I crank it, when it's running, you'll see what I'm gonna show y'all what I'm saying. That junk gonna suck that all up. You know, like I said, it clogged somewhere, bro. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I know like if I get gas, if I do it too much, it gonna backfire right here because it ain't getting no gas. So I probably ran out of gas and the tank probably sucked some up in the filter. So I think it's another filter. Rallies. But nah, when I ran low on gas, it probably sucked some up see, I think it's a filter under here. Put 9 times 10 is a filter under the car, and I know that filter probably never been changed. That's all it could be. Fuel in the unit in the tank, they don't do nothing really make the gas hand work. And the gas hand don't work, so they need to be changed anyway. But yeah, it's like, it feel back up. Like that, I know I ain't got no hold nowhere. Cause the gas filling back, it's sitting where it's supposed to sit. I do cut the engine off. It's just not getting enough. So yeah, I'ma jack that thing up and follow that fuel line. That's all it could be. Or like old car. That's all it could be. Just follow that fuel line. And it gotta be a filter on there. If it's not a filter on there, then it's something going on with the fuel in the unit. But I'm putting 9 times 10, it's a filter under the car. It's a filter under the car. And it's a 79. Man, that filter probably ain't never been changed. I know it ain't ever been changed. It got to be what it is. It got to be what it is. It got to be. Got to be. But I look, it's selling it, all the gas selling in there again. You know what I'm saying? It ain't leaking. It clogged, bro. Clogged, look, somewhere. I'm gonna find it too. And I was saying I would need to jack it up, but I ain't got my jack stand. Every time I buy jack stands, everything grow legs and walk away. Don't get KT over here. We gonna figure it out. I'll figure it out sometime. It's supposed to ride, man. Yeah, I got AC and everything. You see that compressor, all that new.